The court is back in session in cause number 332072, cases of State of Texas versus Ricardo David Baraja Ceja. Mr. Baraja Ceja, I have before me two documents. The first document is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without an Attorney. Now, Mr. Baraja Ceja, you were sworn in, is that correct? You were sworn in. Now, I'm showing you a document that is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without an Attorney. Do you recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? Or these are your initials on the line that's titled, that states that you would like to apply for court-appointed attorney? Also, I have a document before me that's titled Affidavit of Indigence. And do you recognize this document? On page 2 of this same document, Mr. Baraja Ceja, there's a signature on the line that's titled defendant signature. Is that your signature? Now, Mr. Baraja Ceja, prior to signing and initialing these documents, did you read the documents? Did you understand what you read? Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Now, Mr. Baraja Ceja read your answers in the affidavit. Based on your answers, you meet the eligibility requirements for the appointment of court-appointed attorney. The attorney that will be appointed to represent you in this case is Attorney Peter Doyle. Attorney Doyle will be given information on how to contact you. You will also be given information on how to contact him. Once you get that information from our court coordinator, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day. Stay in contact with your attorney in your bonds. You're going to have a seat in that middle chair and wait for your name to be called. Oh, he has two cases. Also, cause number 332068, and this other case is cause number 332072. I need to put that extra number on there. Yeah. Okay, next case is cause number 332432. Case is styled the State of Texas versus Jordan Latre Baptiste. Okay, Mr. Baptiste, your full name is Jordan Latre Baptiste?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Baptiste, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Baptiste, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, help you God?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Baptiste, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Baptiste?
Honor you.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Baptiste, I have before me two documents. The first document is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without an Attorney. Mr. Baptiste, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes, sir.
Are these your initials online stating that you'd like to apply for court-appointed counsel?
Yes, sir.
Also, I have a document that is titled Affidavit of Indigence. Mr. Baptiste, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 2 of this document is a signature above the line that is titled Defendant's Signature. Mr. Baptiste, is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Baptiste, before you signed and initialed these documents, did you read the document?
Yes, sir.
And did you understand what you read?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct
Yes, sir.
to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Baptiste, I've read these documents and I've read your answers in the documents. Based on your answers in the affidavit of indigence, you do not meet the eligibility requirements for the appointment of a court-appointed attorney. So therefore, currently you have two options. You can see if you can try to hire an attorney to represent you, or if you desire to waive your right to have an attorney, you can do that as well. So as I stated earlier, You do not meet the eligibility requirements for the Department of Court Appointed Attorney at this time. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So your case is going to be reset. Now you want to see if you can hire an attorney?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So your case is going to be reset. Give you an opportunity to do that. And I guess you may have to change your response on here. Mr. Porter? You can get that back to him. He's going to change his response. And we can have a, here you go. Yes. Okay, just have a seat in that chair. When our court coordinator is going to reset your case. Once your case is reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. Court of